Hey, in this video, I'm going to share 5 of the smartest purchases that I've made in my 20s. Cha-ching! Each one of these purchases have benefited me by helping me make money, save money, or benefited me in other ways like my enjoyment or health. And if you stick till the end of this video, I'll share a bonus, something that I haven't bought yet, but I plan to buy very soon in the future. Spoiler alert, it's not the brand new iPhone 13 Pro that takes the average Malaysian 30.3 working days to be able to afford it. If I wanted to buy a brand new iPhone, I would just go work in Switzerland for 4.4 days and then I'll be able to afford it. But all jokes aside, if you think about it, every time we spend money, we're actually trading our time for what we're buying. For example, if you earn $10 an hour and you decide to buy something that's $50, you just traded 5 hours of work time for the thing that you bought. So it better be worth it. Whether or not the iPhone 13 Pro is worth 3.3 working days if you're earning the average Malaysian wage is up to you. But in this video, I want to share some of the best purchases that I think have been totally worth the time and energy I traded for it. I'm going to break these down into 3 categories, being physical items, experiences, and convenience, but sometimes these will overlap. Starting off with number 1 on the list is hitting the like button on YouTube videos that I find helpful because it's free and it helps my favorite YouTube creators. No, but seriously, the number 1 best thing that I spent my money on has got to be my whole workstation. This includes my desktop computer where all my work is done, including the work I do for this YouTube channel. Some accessories that make it more comfortable for me to work in this workstation here, including this chair. This desk here is an electronic sit and stand desk. I have headphones, keyboard and mouse, a webcam, this microphone over here, and also 2 monitors. In total, I spent about 5,000 ringgit for this setup, and I would say that it's definitely an investment because this PC setup is my primary way of how I make money. And also, I don't only use it for work, I also use it to watch movies or play a few games here and there just for entertainment.
Hey, mister. Morning.
I know I made a joke about the iPhone early on in this video, but if you can justify that purchase of the iPhone because you use it a lot, then go for it. Number 2 on this list are wireless earphones. I got something like the AirPods Pro, but it's an Android version from Oppo, and it's about 500 ringgit when on sale. These work for me, they're convenient, and they have good sound quality and features. I always have wireless earphones on when I'm doing chores, when I'm on a walk, when I'm exercising, so that I can learn new things or listen to music, listen to podcasts, and I can entertain myself or educate myself whenever I'm doing mundane or repetitive tasks. I can't imagine going a few days without my wireless earphones because I'm so used to having them with me and listening to things while I'm on the go. You don't have to get expensive headphones or earphones. You can get relatively affordable, inexpensive ones, and they will do most of the same thing that the expensive ones will do, with maybe less features. Number 3 on this list are courses, books, and any educational material that I could get my hands on. The first ever online course I bought, I spent 800 ringgit on a digital marketing course. It's a course by a friend of mine named Seth. I have a whole interview with him on digital marketing. You can check it out. I'll link that video up here or down in the description. But basically, over the last 2 or 3 years, I spent a lot of money on books and educational content to upskill myself and educate myself. I spent a lot of money on my own education because compared to traditional or formal education in school, I get to pick the subjects and topics that I want to learn and pursue that are in line with my interests. And enrolling in various online courses just makes me feel like I'm responsible for my skill development and education. I think the reason why most people hesitate when spending money on their own education is because if you spend money on your own education, you have to first admit that you need help. And not only do you need help, but you need to pay someone who has more knowledge or skills than you to help guide the way. And that's something that you need a lot of humility to accept. Yes, you can go online and find free resources and you can learn everything for free online now. But to me, I pay for online courses because I get a lot more convenience, I get to learn a lot faster, and I get guidance from people who are more knowledgeable than me. And so far, I can't think of a better place to learn various things online at a reasonable price than today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform where you can learn new skills like graphic design, web development, freelancing, and entrepreneurship. It's great for anyone who wants to expand their knowledge or gain valuable skills that they can use in their personal or professional life. And it's suitable for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Skillshare classes include a combination of video lessons and hands-on projects that can help you get the experience you need. You can take them whenever you like and learn new skills without getting distracted by ads, and you can focus on learning on your own schedule as most of their classes are under 60 minutes. I recently took a Skillshare class called YouTube Success by Marquez Brownlee, and my biggest takeaway from that class is to create videos that I personally would want to watch on YouTube. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Item number 4 on this list is a good mattress. We spend about a third of our time sleeping on our mattress, so it makes sense to invest in something that is going to make this time more enjoyable. In the past, I just slept on any old crappy mattress and a bed, and I always had back problems because 1, the bed was too small for me, and 2, the mattress was too soft and I just wasn't comfortable in it, so I woke up most mornings with back pain. After doing some research, I decided that I wanted to try sleeping on the floor or on harder surfaces, and I wanted to get a full set of a Japanese futon, but at the time it was too expensive for me because it shipped all the way from Japan. So instead of going all out, I thought that I would take a baby step first, and I bought a simple mattress topper that was made out of memory foam for 289 ringgit. And I bought a nice contour pillow for about 89 ringgit. I've been sleeping on the floor for about a year now. I don't have any more back pains. I'm very comfortable on the floor. It's very simple. I like it. And it feels weird when I sleep on a soft bed now. So the 5th and final thing on this list are actually a bunch of conveniences that I just want to lump up in the same group. The first is a recent purchase I bought, which has been very convenient to me, which is actually YouTube Premium. So this saves me time and frustration because I don't have to watch 20-second ads or 2 mid-roll ads at the same time, because you know how YouTube is getting more and more aggressive with their advertising on videos. I also get YouTube Music bundled in with the price, and I think it's really good. I think you can replace Spotify with it, but I still have Spotify. With the family plan, you can get YouTube Premium for about 5 ringgit a month, and so it's really inexpensive for me, and it saves me a lot of time and frustration because I don't have to go through these ads. Another convenience that I love to buy is food delivery, grocery delivery, or any sort of item delivery instead of having to go out and get it myself. This saves me a lot of time because, like I said earlier in the video, you can calculate how much your time is worth. So for example, if your job pays you $10 an hour, instead of driving somewhere that would take you 1 hour to get food, that's $10. Instead, you can get someone to deliver it for you for $5. And so I calculate how much my time is worth, and then I try not to do any task that is not worth my time because I can just outsource it. Other things you can spend your time on are drivers or cleaners. So instead of having to drive yourself, you can take a Grab. This is the same concept of calculating how much your time is worth. If you're earning $120,000 a year, then your time is worth a lot more, and you might not want to clean your whole house and just hire some cleaners to do it for you. So every dollar we spend is connected to how much time we gave up to earn that money. So if you can, you want to spend money on things that improve your quality of life, either through convenience or experience. If you're buying a physical item, try to buy something that will become an asset that pays you back either financially, mentally, or physically. In the end of the day, you will make bad purchases, just like I have. But if you learn from them, then you can turn that bad purchase decision into a good lesson that will save you money in the future. Since you stayed till the end, you get a bonus. In the near future, I am thinking of hiring an accountant to handle all of our expenses for the business, because I've heard many times that a good accountant will be an investment that will pay for their fees by their own. I'm still in the research process and I don't know what to look out for when looking for an accountant. So if you know an accountant, or if you're an accountant yourself, then just drop us a comment or a DM and we'll love to talk to you. So that's it for this video today. Thanks for watching till the end. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video and want to see more. I'll see you in the next one.